sound of the drums, the kick up fire. And I pick up them slippers when shit a fire. You never kill nobody, use a fucking liar. Most them fucking net cause
Yeah, viewers, yeah, subscribers, big up on yourself. Newlink production, there. Yeah, hot like fire. Attack on this local punk ass boy again. A long time Newlink now. Yo, me not time for bill now, idiot boy no people. But Newlink a come this little punk ass, nerdy. I don't know if I said jerk off, nasty boy. Eh? Me say nastiness. Full black boss, full black shit. Report video if you want, report channel if you want. Newlink the business, nasty boy. Eh? Yeah, they can pose up on stage show boy, yeah, DJ Spanish Town right here with Casa. Eh? Casa Flap Nova. Eh? And not boy, you're artist and you're this and boy. People are take away your style and nobody can be you. Who could I want to be you nastiness boy? Eh? Jerk off nasty boy. Who could I want to be you? People is nasty boy, not stop him nastiness. Eh? You man them tired of them, man. You think every woman I see him well, love your nastiness and I go tell them but send a video for jerk off and then think the nasty boy. Eh? It's not every woman the same, you know, boy. Eh? You're too damn nasty, man. Eh? Fish brain boy, after you get exposed long time boy by Kev already, you still come up with your nastiness them my youth. Eh? And I tell people, boy, you don't love your wife, you don't want your wife. You done expose a wife already and say you mash up a popcorn ring, boy. Eh? And you done deal with the certificate of we already. Although you can't copy your next on anything you want. Eh? Newlink did done tell you already. So you think say as England easy figure, boy? You think you just married and get paper cigar England, sir? Eh? England tough and rough figure, boy. I think I easy place it just comes up, boom, you married and get paper cigar. When you find out that, boy, you look welfare money and all of that from the woman and the one go do work, boy. Eh? Nasty full black boss. Newlink come for this year again, boy. Come see a post up sitting at this Newlink and Newlink come attack you again. From what do you see now? And Newlink say, wait for your right time for this to look a punk ass nigga, yeah? Eh? Don't play with Newlink, boy. Newlink is a hard working nigga here. You understand? Newlink got his shit. Get what I'm saying? Yeah? Newlink don't rent car and drive, boy. Newlink work safe and buy cars and drive. Yeah? Full black bitch shit. Yeah? This punk ass jerking nigga. Yeah? Sending decent beautiful girl you got send your nastiness to boy you want jerk off all of them. Yeah? Cam to cam with the nastiness boy. Yeah? That's why my boy they expose you. Eh? That's why I'm expose you. You nasty faggot. Any boy you par with fish, them a fish too. Newlink telling you that straight. Any boy par with batty boy, them a what? My people, batty boy too. You see me? Warm to your boy. I be a straight people Newlink production link with. We not link with fishes and gay people. No way here, boy. Eh? This nasty boy. Eh? God send people about video. Him want jerk off and them sitting here. Him no love wife. Eh? Him a wife finish. Hmm? And her wife finish you. Feel like wife finish your punk. Eh? Remember say your wife got your woman we get if a brainwashing get her for some mad cold disease in catch her or some bad island drink or some other sit down and say Zed Sterling put up say what kind of soap there? When you say my boy there in a Zed Sterling video, when you say alkaline go drink fi fuck up cartel. Me I wonder if I see him thing you do to your woman, guy Wobia man. And that you doing a guy Wobia man. Fi go try work on the woman and in a fucking work, a woman mother smart. Eh? A woman mother fuck you up in a punk. You think a woman? Cause you brainwash your man daughter with a fucking shit ass full black shit self. Eh? Come and send people let me be a boy. You want jerk off all of them shit ya. Eh? You a real batty boy my youth. You see me? That's why nobody not hire and gain a record. Any boy a party batty boy. That's why Newlink launching out long time and running away in a punk ass niggas. Eh? What do you Newlink there Jamaica? All you say you go find Newlink. Where you can see me they told me put up everywhere. Eh? You have your eye that lock in a house. Eh? And me come down there soon again. Cause me have my people in funeral for come to. You see me? Punk ass bitch. Eh? Full black nastiness shit herself. Go find a life, boy, and go look a life. You see me? Newlink production there, Newlink a burn out. You see me? Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know your boy Newlink is here. You know that. All of my beautiful fans, they make Newlink so no comment and run with that boy right now. You see me? People, yeah. All my people who's waiting for me in Bahamas. Yeah, Newlink gonna be there. You see me? My boy think Newlink gonna be there. You see me? So Bahamas waiting for Newlink. Newlink gonna be there. Newlink gonna tear up that. And when Newlink come, Newlink gonna tear up a place. So Bahamas, look out. Newlink coming there. You see me? Want to some punk, man. My beautiful viewers, them are subscriber, big up on yourself. The whole Bahamas, big up. You don't know. Send kids, big up on yourself. Newlink want soon to you know. No, just give me the date. You see me? St. Vincent, same way Barbados. Newlink want soon, you know. You just give me date, make him arrive and come mash up the place. You see me? Management line is open. Newlink production there. We have to burn out the look of full black shit. But them a boss. Full black boss are looking at the Newlink guys. I see it. I them a bleed because me this burn something hot. Yeah. Oh, I'm to you, boy. Don't this Newlink production, boy. Don't do that. You do that, boy, you find yourself in serious problem. We are people, big old trucker do work, you see that? Big trucker work, you know, could they? Or we have for them to truck the people? What them sitting there? You my ball out, who them? You my viewers, you my subscriber, big up for yourself, yeah, man. When Newlink have to burn out the fishes, them we have to burn them out. You see me? People, I'm telling you, you know, you have a blogger girl, you know. You don't feel no way you see Newlink this or up with the cash. This Newlink too, you know. You see me? This Newlink wicked, man. But Newlink have a attack for she better wait and easy herself. I know this woman in the people, but when Newlink, if you this Newlink, I got just deal with her one time. But if she continue to chase the Newlink, I depend that me just send my message to her and say that's it. Go have a life. You see me? As a Newlink tan. Yeah, man, she violate Newlink people. You see me? I mean, say full black shit follower them. Say she a blogger. And I said that's why Newlink not reach though, eh? When Newlink want reach. You people, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, what more Newlink would I want? Tell them my fans. What more? People are road their body, you look at. And Newlink have to go drive, watch there. Road their body, you know, but Newlink can't go up on it. Same way. Hurricane mash up the road of people. Yeah, man. A Newlink production. Full black bar shit. Go fix up a life and fix up yourself, my yard. And go cleanse up yourself. You see me? Boy, yeah, run on, eh? Nasty boy. Yo, them boy are nasty, man. Eh? You have to wonder how it happen. Man say them a entertainment this and them a that and a link. So them a link with bad artists and them a bad man. Eh? And I go send girl boy you want jerk off. You're a real fish boy. That's why my boy they expose you. That's why I keep expose you nasty shit. Yo my viewers, yo my subscriber, big up on yourself, yeah man. Long time Newlink not go to their vibes there, you know. You know how long? Cause I don't know Newlink did I go through, so I go through it. I still not get over it still, but Newlink there me I come back to myself, you see me? So Newlink have the talks, them and the clanks, them and everything. Big up on yourself, people. Newlink production is there. God bless you all. You see me? Up and running. I'm so bad. Newlink production. Where bad mind I go, where 8 I go. Tell me where them I go. Big up again. United States of America, Canada, England. The world works, big up. You don't know Newlink production there. And I say big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah man, I have to blow on cause I wait for the people, you see me people. The boy Newlink production there man. For real. Yeah people. It's a Sunday today, you know. And we have to give God thanks because on Sunday we have to praise the Lord. Enough boy to praise the Lord on a Sunday. Is it? So people, aye. Yeah man. So people just big up on themselves, you see me? One thing, one Newlink production there. Up and gunning, running. Alright people, big up.